Follow the steps on how to create a perspective grid room background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start creating a grid using the rectangular grid tool. Draw according to the size of the artboard. Delete again, then click to open options. You can set it like this. Put it in the center. Resize. Select and copy. Press E, then select Perspective Distort. Make it like this. Press O. Click, then copy Reflect. Reactivate the rectangular grid tool. Click and arrange it like this. Press E and select Perspective Distort again. Then copy Reflect. Now you can add other elements as complements. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.